Really Useful Boxes are celebrating 25 years. I wonder how many boxes have been made in that time. Well, that's at the other factory that you've seen, but they've also got a new factory. Well, it's 8 years old, and I've blagged my way in here to have another tour. Wow, come on. Wow, so we're here in the new factory. Again, I say new, but it's been here for 8 years. But I can understand now when I come in here, I mean, it does take your breath away. It's so high, so vast and so big. But I understand now why 80,000 boxes a day, 400,000 boxes a week, which is 20 million a year. They've got to be made somewhere. Come on, let's have a look. This is the production of the new factory. Oh, let me just tell you something that's really fascinating. You see how big this is? It does get hot in here with all of this machinery. There's a really environmental way of cooling it down. Do you know what it is? It's so simple. Up in the roofs, there are vents that open up, it lets the hot air out and the cold air comes in. Don't they look great when they're all together? It's really impactful. Look at this. If I remember rightly, the yellow drawer in my shed houses all my drills. That's right, yellow for drills. Look, there's a lid. That goes up there. That must be the plate that compresses it. But you can see here, in relation to the other factory, this is all digitalised. So these are more modern machines. More modern machines. Interesting, interesting. Isn't that handy? That's really tough as well. Really Useful Boxes have to go in boxes to get delivered. There's some that are branded. And then there are, wow, look at this. Oh look, you've got the Diddy ones. This is so Diddy. Even the same detail on the bottom. That's so impressive. Right, that machine there is a grinder. So all the boxes that don't make it to the shops for whatever reason, they're put in there, and you'll see, just going up, there's a blue lid, okay? A couple of blue lids. There might be some clear plastic going up there as well. That's all put into the grinder, and that gets ground down. You can hear it. There you go. Recycled plastic, that's the handles. That's plastic fantastic. I am absolutely blown away. I had no idea the scale that the boxes were made on. Remember, it's 40 million a year. I had no idea how they were made either here in the UK. I just find it absolutely fascinating, I really do. And if you want to get hold of a really useful box, like me, now you know how they're made.